They realize they couldn't. They're starting to panic, like maybe, he'll suffocate in there. And so they called in the fire department. The police came, a whole bunch of people. This is what gets me. Obviously, he's in the drum of the washing machine. And they say timely rescue. So not only the family spent that time, but now the police and the fire department's there. And what do? They disassemble the outside of the washing machine as if that would do anything. That was a complete waste of time because he's still in the freaking drum. So I look at this and go, my God,